I can't shake you loose. You are sly as half true. Can we call a truce? Are you love proof, Mr. Charisma? Cause it's like never, no stutter, clean, no clutter. Every word you utter, greasy, smooth butter, never better. Yeah, yeah, you a clever brother of arrogance and vigor. I'm so go figure. Sharp tongue boy, superstar, predator. Trained on capture, still I can't be mad at ya. Trivial pursuits and your gym tone stature. Your bling bling armor with its inbuilt fractures. Chase to the cutter, charming skirt hustler with your feet in ear trainer and your head in the gutter. Your sly f***er. Must admit your lyrics are superior in style, content and structure. No need to instruct you cause your game is muscular, fit to muscle your way up under her. Some call it back armor, I calls it literature. But I'm not a believer, you secular preacher, you female deceiver. Reefer breathing true perceiver of inner free diva. Release of inner skeezer, pain relief like Chiba. I taught to tease ya, but melt like Malteser. I Scrooge Ebenezer, but as for trusting ya, I'd rather pierce my happy bits with a rusty stapler. No anesthesia. Trust. Pavement strutter, drunk on charisma, professional amateur. What's your secret formula? Cause I must be a nutter, some willing sucker, slipping on your word butter. Please kill your looks cause you're already a murderer. Virtue killer, you're clever, clever brother. Sharp tongue boy, superstar, predator with your soul watching God and your heart in the gutter. Preacher, caveman, heart eater, dream weaver, female deceiver. You love them and leave them. You're bobbing and weaving with more rhyme than reason, like some scheming demon on a mission, releasing his semen like steam. And still I'm daydreaming, despite what I'm seeing. Still I'm daydreaming that the me you're perceiving is more than some skeezer whose ass is most pleasing. This evening is although I can't keep ya, truth ain't what I'm needing, so make me a believer, Mr. Charisma, Mr. Charisma, Mr. Every word you utter, greasy, smooth butter, and the truth is, my brother, I wanna open you up and climb up inside you so I can dance your bones and sing your ether. Drink up that beauty and crunch that charisma, charisma, charisma. You can't keep from. Although I can't keep you, I can't keep from wanting you neither.